train are you on?
Strawberry.
Did you want to go on the strawberry one?
Squeeze in, we like it all when you squeeze in.
Chloe, did you want to go on the strawberry train?
Yeah.
So Elliott informed us that he wants to do normal rides first. So we're going to the drop ride.
It's calling him. What's the train?
Calling me, can you hear it?
Secret, spoiler, and Oblivion ride. I did.
Secret Oblivions. Secret Smiles.
I don't know, you got the walls that look disgusting when I told you the truth.
Oh, I suppose it makes a change. I'd like to point out this has got history for going on one ride and then ended up going on 2 or 3.
I will continue.
Just heading over to 13, just showing you the courtyard. Very quiet today. Queue's not too bad, it's supposed to be a walk on, but we'll have a look. Elliott's just mulling along with his badge. You alright, dude? Are you 5 today? Awesome. Show your new t-shirt. Elliott's going to play the shooting game. Go on then, Elliott. Show us how it's done. Is it working? Try and shoot the skull. Is that it? Oh, game over. Good job. So that is it for our weekend away. We're going here now. Point to Lucy. There we go. I think we get nine holes.
Yeah.
We get 9 holes. Last time we had 9 holes, we actually got 18 because we just carried on all the way around without knowing. It wasn't for knowing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed our weekend away.
We did.
Bit of a mismatch of stuff going on here and there, but thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you again soon. Don't forget to like, comment and
Subscribe.
bye.
Bye.